Did you know that over 50% of homeowners aren't actually using their home equity to its full potential? That's actually money sitting there that could be working for you, but only if you know how to actually leverage it smartly. I'm Stephen Brock, the brutally honest loan officer. And if you are tired of those high interest rate debts or you're simply looking to make smarter financial moves, stick around today. So, we're going to actually be talking about how to use your home's equity to save more and actually build wealth without falling into the common traps that are out there. One of the biggest misconceptions about home equity is that it is just a last resort or something you shouldn't touch. But here's the reality of it. Used correctly, your home's equity can be a powerful financial tool. However, if you don't understand the risk, it can also lead to trouble like taking on too much debt or losing the equity you have worked so hard to actually build. So let's break down the main ways you can use your home equity. The first option is a home equity loan, which gives you a lump sum of money and it typically comes with a fixed interest rate. And then there is a home equity line of credit or a HELOC, which works more like a credit card, where you can borrow as you need and pay it back over time. Lastly, you have a cash out refinance where you replace your existing mortgage with a new, larger one and take the difference in cash. Each option has its pros and cons. For an example, a HELOC offers flexibility, but usually comes with a variable interest rate, again, which is like a credit card. It can go up over time. A home equity loan is more predictable with its fixed rate, but you'll start paying interest on the full amount right away. And then a cash out refinance can be beneficial if you can also secure a lower mortgage rate, but it doesn't have to. It extends the life of your loan and helps you pay off other debt. So let me share a quick example. I recently helped a client consolidate $40,000 of a high interest credit card payment using a cash out refinance. By doing so, they lowered their monthly payments by $500 and saved thousands in interest over time. But the key was carefully planning. We made sure that they had a solid repayment plan so they didn't have to rack up new debt. And their actual mortgage rate went up. The takeaway here is leveraging that home equity can be life-changing if done correctly. The key is to understand your options, weigh the risk, and make an actual plan. Don't treat your home like an ATM. Think of it as an investment. So, have you used your home equity for anything or are you considering it? I'd love for you to share your story in the comments below. And if you want more tips on this or want to talk about the strategies you can take, book a call with me and I'll be happy to just look at your options and then you can determine by the numbers which one might be the best for you, even if it is, hey, you shouldn't do anything with your home's equity.